Okay, this time we're going to use the aux block to lift and lower a load. And we're just going to do it with just a hand line. Let's say we have this transformer on top of the pole. I'm going to lower it, and I'm just going to use my hand line, not a set of fours or anything else like that. So in order to do that, I'm going to need a few components. I'm going to need the aux block. I'm going to use a gated rated handline hook with a working load of 2,500 pounds. You're not going to use a regular handline hook. The braking strength is too low. This carabiner right here, and two of these little buck riggers, working load of 2,000 pounds, and these are a set of doubles for heavier loads. For lighter loads, you could use these little single buck riggers right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and rig this thing up. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my load line. I'm going to put 2 wraps on here for a 10-to-1 of friction. So this transformer is about 300 pounds. So 10-to-1, that's going to give me 30 pounds of load on the haul line over here. All right. Let's go ahead and put the gated rated handline hook on the transformer sling. Take the slack out. Okay. Now I'm going to grab one of my double buck riggers. Be sure to open up the gates all the way. I'll install one up here on the aux hook. And I'll install the other one onto the connector, the carabiner here on the transformer sling. Okay, now I'm simply just going to take my haul line right here. I'm going to reeve my blocks. Make up a set of fours real quick. Be sure when you're reeving them to go ahead and close that gate back up on each time. You don't want that rope popping out when you're trying to lift this load. So make sure they close all the way. Hear that good solid double click. Okay, now I'm ready to lift this load. Check all my connection points. Looking good. Okay, I'm ready to lift this off the transformer bolts. Get in position here. There we go. I got it lifted off. I'm going to spin it out of the way. Now I'm going to lower it, but obviously if I lower it with these blocks right here, it's going to use up all my hand line. So what I'm going to do is see where my load line comes up off my transformer, through my friction wraps right up to here. So I'm going to grab this line right here, and it should just be 30 pounds. And it is. So now I just hold on to that, and I can unclip these little buck riggers. Get the rest of my haul line back. Pop these little guys off there. Just like that. Now I can go ahead and lower this transformer out with just a hand line. Okay, some other applications for this. Well, we obviously did a transformer off a pole, but you could certainly do some transmission bells off of a tower or an H structure. You could break a heavy strain of wire. And you know, the list just goes on. I'm sure there's some other applications you could do as well. So another great use of the aux block.